Hey guys, welcome back to Bake with Bhanusami. Today we are going to make piggy cookies. These cookies are so cute and so soft and your kids will love it. Let's get started. Take a bowl, add 80 grams of unsalted butter, room temperature butter. Your butter should be soft and beat this for about 1 minute until it gets light in color. Look at this. After 1 minute, scrape the bowl. Scrape the sides of the bowl. To that add 40 grams of icing sugar. Here I am using icing sugar. You could use powdered sugar. Just grind the sugar in mixie and use it. And beat this for about 2 minutes. If you don't have hand blender, you could use wire whisk to beat this butter and sugar. Look at this. To this add vanilla essence half teaspoon and beat this for a second. Take a sieve. To this add 70 grams of maida all-purpose flour and 65 grams of corn flour. This corn flour gives light and soft texture to our cookies. To this add 9 grams of milk powder and sift everything together. Take a spatula and gently fold it. Now I am going to switch to my hands because hand is quite easy to knead the dough. So use your hands and knead the dough for about 1 to 2 minutes. Press the butter with the flour. Do not add any milk or water to this flour if you feel the batter is too dry and it's not going to knead it up. Just fold it together, it will come up. Look at this. Do not add any milk or water to this flour. See? Just knead the dough for about 1 minute. Look at this. I didn't add any milk at all. Our dough is ready now. Flatten the dough and cling wrap and keep it in freezer for about 20 minutes. If you don't have cling wrap, just use a Ziploc bag and keep the dough in Ziploc bag and freeze for about 20 minutes. Take the dough out from freezer. Here I am going to use 20% of dough to color the piggy nose and ears. Balance, just cling wrap it and keep it in freezer again. Take a dough. To this I am going to add Americolor Red. If you don't have Americolor Red, you can use Wilton or any other color brands. Do check out the description box below. I gave the link in description box below. The color brands and everything. Written recipe. Do check it out. And gently knead it. Use good quality color. Do not use non-edible colors. Use edible colors. And gently knead the dough. Look at this. Knead the dough for about 1 minute until the color is well incorporated. See, my dough is ready. Now I am going to make small nose for piggies. Take a small dough, little dough, make a ball and gently press at the center. Take a small dough and shape into a ball. Gently press at the center. Next I am going to make a ears for piggies. For that take a small dough and make a tear shape. Small tear shape like this. Look at this. This is so cute to make. Now take the dough from freezer. Here I am going to use 20 grams of dough for each piggy face. Take a 20 gram of dough and shape into a ball like this. Preheat your oven to 140 degrees Celsius, not for 180, 140 degrees Celsius for 10 minutes. See? To this add our piggy nose. Stick the piggy nose. Take a toothpick and poke a hole like this. Look at this. So cute, no? Gently poke a hole. Our piggy nose is ready. To this, stick the ears. Take the teardrop ears and gently stick to the cookies. This is so cute. Your kids will definitely love it. Our piggy face is ready. For eyes, I am going to add the sabja seeds, that is called basil seeds. Here in India, we are not getting the black sesame seeds. For that, I am using the sabja seeds. Just stick these sabja seeds. Look at this. Our piggy is ready. Preheat your oven to 140 for 10 minutes and bake this for about 10 to 12 minutes. Do not over bake it or it may get cracked. So bake for 10 to 12 minutes. Look at this. My piggy cookies are ready. See how cute is this. Do not over bake this or you may end up with cracks. See. Do try it out and let me know how it has turned out for you, and please don't forget to subscribe and hit the bell icon. Thank you for watching.